Welcome to our series, How to Make Money with AI, Affiliate Marketing Unleashed. In this video, we will be exploring the power of AI in revolutionizing affiliate marketing. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Let's get started. In today's digital age, AI is a game changer in the realm of affiliate marketing. It offers unprecedented insights, automation, and precision that can supercharge your marketing efforts. From selecting the right niche to understanding your audience, from creating high-converting landing pages to implementing effective SEO strategies, AI is the key to unlocking your affiliate marketing potential. When it comes to selecting the right niche, AI can be your best ally. It sifts through vast amounts of data to pinpoint profitable niches that align with your brand, passion, and knowledge. AI doesn't just eliminate guesswork, it makes niche selection a data-driven process. Understanding your audience is crucial for successful affiliate marketing, and AI provides a wealth of data about your audience. It gives you deep insights into their behavior patterns, preferences, and buying habits, allowing you to tailor your content, offers, and messages more effectively. AI-optimized landing pages are not just visually appealing, but also highly optimized to drive conversions. AI systems analyze user behavior and preferences to present a personalized landing page experience, significantly boosting your conversion rates. When it comes to SEO, AI tools are revolutionizing the game. They analyze search engine algorithms, adapt to their changes, and optimize your content accordingly, making your affiliate marketing efforts more visible than ever. AI-powered email campaigns are no longer about mass emails. AI allows you to craft personalized campaigns that speak directly to your subscribers, transforming your email campaigns into powerful engagement tools. Chatbots are your 24/7 affiliate promoters. These AI-driven virtual assistants can dramatically increase engagement and conversions, making your audience feel valued and attended to. AI analytics is your secret weapon for maximizing ROI. It uncovers patterns, trends, and insights from vast amounts of data, helping you optimize your marketing strategies. AI doesn't just create content, it creates content that works. It uses data-driven insights to generate engaging, optimized content that resonates with your audience. In the AI era, affiliate marketing is becoming more strategic, precise, and profitable. It's about leveraging AI tools for data analysis, content creation, email marketing, and predictive analysis. AI supercharges your social media affiliate marketing. It can analyze vast amounts of data to understand what content resonates with your audience, the best times to post, and even predict trends. Personalization is key in today's market, and AI can help you deliver personalized offers at scale, increasing the likelihood of conversion. AI is your crystal ball for affiliate marketing. It can predict future trends based on data analysis, allowing you to be proactive rather than reactive. AI-based recommendations are your secret sauce for more sales. They guide your audience towards products they might love but haven't discovered yet. AI can analyze user behavior, pinpointing patterns and trends to ensure your affiliate links are placed where they're most likely to be clicked. AI gives you a competitive edge in affiliate marketing. It can provide a detailed overview of your competitors' strategies, performance, and more, helping you outwit them. In the world of affiliate marketing, tracking performance is crucial, and AI has become a game changer in this area. It provides actionable insights to refine your strategies and set the stage for continuous improvement. AI can enhance your visual content, making it more captivating and effective. It can dynamically adjust the visuals in your content to increase relevance, engagement, and ultimately conversion rates. While AI is a powerful tool, it's important to use it responsibly. We must respect user privacy, ensure transparency, avoid bias, and prioritize genuine human relationships. AI can enhance the user experience, leading to higher engagement and conversion. It personalizes content, designs intuitive interfaces, provides real-time assistance, and analyzes user behavior to improve the overall user experience. Finally, AI turns your data into actionable insights for affiliate marketing. It sifts through countless data points to identify what's working and what's not, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies for maximum effectiveness. In conclusion, AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's revolutionizing the way we do affiliate marketing, making it more strategic, precise, and profitable. So, are you ready to unleash the power of AI in your affiliate marketing? Let's dive in.